Sustainability is no longer just a niche concern for finance, it's a global imperative. Environmental, social, and governance, ESG, standards are shaping how institutions invest, operate, and report. With more than $40 trillion in assets managed under ESG frameworks, expectations are rising fast. Firms now face a tough question. How do you prove that your sustainability commitments are real, not just marketing? The voluntary carbon market has been part of the answer, but it's far from perfect. Many carbon credit systems are opaque, fragmented, and hard to audit. That's where blockchain, specifically tokenization, comes in. Why the carbon market needs an upgrade. Let's face it, traditional carbon credit systems weren't built for institutional scale. Whether credits are bought to offset emissions or included in sustainability portfolios, it's hard to track exactly where they came from, how they've been used, or whether they have been double counted. Records are often spread across disconnected databases or platforms, making verification a time-consuming manual process. For institutions under regulatory pressure to show real impact and avoid accusations of greenwashing, that's a serious concern. Tokenization changes that by turning carbon credits into digital assets with transparent, verifiable histories. From issuance to transfer to retirement, every event is logged immutably on-chain. How tokenized carbon credits work. Imagine being able to track a carbon credit from creation to retirement, with every transaction and ownership change visible in real time. That's exactly what tokenization makes possible. These digital versions of carbon credits can include smart contracts that automatically enforce rules, retiring a credit after use, sending alerts if it's idle too long, or triggering disclosure requirements when thresholds are crossed. It brings consistency, automation, and auditability to a process that's historically been scattered and slow. Real-world adoption and regulatory momentum. This shift isn't theoretical, it's already happening. Projects like the World Bank's Climate Warehouse are piloting blockchain-based registries to support cross-border carbon tracking. Verra and Gold Standard, two of the most recognized verification bodies, are also adapting to token-based frameworks, responding to growing demand from institutional players. At the same time, regulators and financial leaders are lending support. The IMF and BIS have both cited tokenized ESG assets as key to improving transparency in green finance. In the private sector, leaders like BlackRock's Larry Fink have publicly pointed to blockchain as a core tool for improving trust in ESG reporting. All of this points in the same direction. Blockchain-backed carbon markets aren't just coming, they're becoming a critical part of the compliance toolkit. More than just offsets, building smarter ESG products. Tokenized carbon credits aren't just better versions of paper certificates, they're also paving the way for more advanced ESG-linked financial tools. Institutions are already exploring green bonds, backed by carbon tokens, climate-linked credit instruments, and derivatives that incorporate environmental exposure, products that are programmable, liquid, and built for real-time transparency. As DeFi infrastructure evolves and connects with traditional finance, we're going to see more of these hybrids, where sustainability data can be verified on-chain and built directly into investment logic. Kenson's role in making ESG credible. At Kenson Investments, we help institutions navigate the intersection of blockchain and sustainability. From helping clients understand tokenized carbon infrastructure to guiding integration with existing ESG reporting systems, our goal is to make this technology work for you, not overwhelm you. If your team is looking for a better way to manage ESG commitments and ensure they're backed by verifiable, auditable tools, we're here to help. Visit kensoninvestments.com to explore how tokenized carbon credits and other digital ESG assets can support your strategy with clarity and confidence.